Choose your fighter. Fight.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So as y'all can see from the title, we are doing a makeup look for Valentine's Day, but this time I'm giving y'all a little blue moment. So I know you might be thinking, girl, Valentine's Day is supposed to be about red, it's supposed to be about pink. You know what? I already did. That was my last video. Hey, pause this video, go watch that one, and then come back to this one. Today we're doing blue because maybe you're not feeling Valentine's Day. Maybe you're feeling blue. Maybe you're feeling sad about it. You know, maybe you got an ice box where your heart's supposed to be, you know? But really, I just been feeling baby blue, and I got baby blue nails. This look was also inspired by another look that I saw on Instagram, which I thought was really cute. So with that and nails, it just all came together. So I'm doing blue. Yeah, we about to get into that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get it.
Ice.
Alright, so y'all already know the deal. We're back again with another voiceover. So first things first, I'm just pushing my hair out of the way, and then I'm going to go ahead and start to do my eyebrows. So once my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go ahead and take my face paint palette and start to draw out the heart and where I want it to go. If you guys watch my last video, you'll see that it's literally trial and error with me. The first time I draw out the heart, it never looks right, and then I do it the second time and it comes out exactly how I want it, as you can see.
I'm thinking that I should have concealed under my eyes first. Y'all, I feel like this would be easier to do with eyeliner, in case you guys want to try to recreate this.
So now I'm just taking some eyeshadow to set the face paint because it's oily, which is why I said that it might be better to do this with eyeliner because it would dry better. But yeah. Okay, so y'all see me. I put the foundation on. Now I'm just concealing under my eyes. And you know, those parts that were just not looking right. Just put a little bit of concealer under my eyebrows and all of that. Okay, so here I'm just setting my face, and now it's about to be time for me to put a little bit of contour. So I'm just going to contour my face to bring some color back in and add some blush as well. As y'all can see here, the face paint kept smudging on my eyelid, which was really annoying. It was only happening to one eye, so I ended up just deciding to fill in that eye. But I'm also adding some more hearts onto my face. That's optional. Again, this isn't really a tutorial. It's more of like a follow along if you want to recreate it or something. But yeah. So yeah, as you can see, I ended up filling in that eye, and I actually liked how that looked, like one filled in, one not. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Do you like it without the rhinestones or with the rhinestones? I think I actually like this look without rhinestones better, but you know, I had to be extra and add some rhinestones anyway. So in that previous clip, all I did was clean up around the heart to just make it look more defined. And here I'm just adding a little bit more blush and highlight. So here I'm just going to be using some Fenty Gloss Bomb. So this is the shade Pretty Please. And then I'm adding some regular lip gloss on top for an extra shine. And then I'm going over the top of that with another Fenty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Y'all, the last time I did this, I did not have nails on. So we gonna see if that makes a difference. As far as putting on these rhinestones, because honey, whoa. Okay, so here y'all can see me using my tweezers to put the rhinestones on. This time the tweezers were actually helpful, so yeah. All right, y'all, so this is the final look and I'm really feeling it. Like, I think I did really good. It came out really cute, and the crazy thing was this was actually a little bit more difficult than the last look. I think it's because I have on nails, so it was harder to put on the rhinestones, but it came out really good. I'm happy with the results, and yeah, this is like a really cute, simple look for Valentine's Day. You could switch it up and do this with pink. You can do it with red. It's up to you, but I think that the blue looks really cute, and yeah. Okay, I'm giving y'all a little something something. You see the nails match the you see it, you see me. So yeah, if you guys like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you've seen my last video. Do you like the red heart better? Do you like the blue heart? Which one you like? Tell me, let your girl know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.